thunderstorm rolling in. So we are calling it a day because it's exhausting. I think Murray has to go play with his cousin more often. It makes him calmer. Anyway, we're putting in a road so that we can hopefully drag the beams up to the treehouse trees that are behind me. There's Paul wrangling the dog. And there's the treehouse. I don't know, I'm still trying to figure out this camera thing. I don't know what I'm doing.
And then I think we can slowly push this maybe a foot down.
Mm-hmm.
You watching me?
Yep.
Nice.
You're on.
Murray.
With Mr. Happy.
It's gonna rain again.
It does look like it, doesn't it?
Murray, slow down, buddy.
There we go. There's Paul. All right, that's the road we're gonna try to put in. He dug up a very large tree stump right there, but then it made a big hole. So we're gonna try to fill this in so we can drive the tractor up there.
Oh, wait a minute, you're stuck.
Oh. So the glulams arrived. Those are those big giant, oh God, my filming is terrible. 24-foot beams that are 14 by 5 inches. We need to try to lift them up with the tractor and move them out of the way so we can get the tractor by. And then we're going to attempt to use this old 1992 John Deere cart and the tractor to tote them out into the woods about 100 feet that way. Attempt 1 of lifting said giant beam. Oh my God, I think it's huge. Beam dose. Oh God, please don't break. There we go. Sorry, I should have gotten that video. It went in pretty smooth though. We argued over trailer placement and he had me move it and then he had me move it right back where it was. So I was right and he was wrong. Just saying. In theory, we're hoping this stays put. Master movers, we are not, so. Oh. back a bit. There we go. More. Day 2 of beam movement. So we're getting ready to hopefully hook 2 straps and a chain. Are we using the chain?
Maybe.
Maybe a chain. I think we have to get them upright first, or turn them so they're standing up. And yeah, a little nervous to do it with just the 2 of us, but maybe other people will show up. There's a tractor. I don't know what else to talk about right now. Yeah, so that's it for now. Thanks.